So let's do our next command, which is quick test. I'm going to go ahead and select this piece of code, and I'm going to say quick test and just enter it. And this is going to make you in the driver's seat. So if you look at this, what came out, I'm going to copy and I'm going to insert this in there. But there's some things that it does not have full context. It only knew about that one little piece that I gave it. So one, utilities has to go in there. I'm not using Mocha or Chai. So I'm going to just say import from the star, and then I'll say star as assert, and then from the node assert. So now I should be able to take in and say, instead of this, I can go ahead and do the assert dot strict equals and take that out and go with this. So that should be it. Like I said, you have to be in the driver's seat. So I'm going to take this and just replace this. Your mileage will vary depending on what you're expecting. Also, you need to look at your tests still. So you can't just blindly go about this. So this NaN is not correct. We know it's going to be 12. It wasn't giving us a blank or a 0 or something that was invalid for the date. So now I should be able to run this and see that we get full good tests. So we have all of our tests done. That's quick test.